Hi, if you're a married couple and you're getting ready to retire and you're both about the same age and you've been on the same plan at work, either you were on your spouse's plan or he was on your plan, you could have been on your own plan. But a lot of times people are on the same plan and they might have been on this plan for 10 or 20 years. So you're thinking like a couple, you're a package deal when you're not really a package deal when you get ready to go on Medicare. You each have to sign up and you each have to choose your own benefits. And you don't have to choose the same thing. And a lot of times people do, a lot of times they don't. So with Medicare supplement, a lot of the companies entice you to both buy the same plan. Now, not all companies and not all states allow it, but most states allow for a household discount. For married couples, for cohabitating couples, a lot of times you don't have to be married. It could be like you live with the nephew, that you live with your sister. But if you live with anybody that's at least 12 months, for over 12 months, and they're over the age of 60, sometimes they will give you a discount. And sometimes some companies just ask you if they're over the age of 18. But those are called household discounts. And those household discounts can be really big. You might each get a 5, 6, 7, sometimes up to 12% discount if you both buy the same plan. Sometimes you don't even have to both buy it. Sometimes you get the discount as long as you live with somebody else. And that's because the smart mathematicians, the actuaries know that when you live with somebody else, you're generally healthier. You got to get out of bed, you got to get dressed, you got to do some stuff. But when you're alone, it's easy to just not get out of bed, stay in your pajamas all day, and maybe just eat some soup, you know? So actuaries know that you're healthier if you live with somebody. So they give you this big, deep discount. So a lot of married couples might find it advantageous to buy the same Medicare supplement plan or to stay with the same company to get that discount. So a lot of times you come to me and you say, I'm getting ready to retire. I'm going to ask you, so tell me what's going on with your husband. You're like, what do you care about my husband? He's been on Medicare for years. Well, I want to know what he has because if he already has an Aetna Medicare Supplement Plan G, I might want to sell you the same one so that you get that discount because that's available to you in your state. It's not like it's not available in all states. So that's why when I'm asking you questions or you call us at SSG Insurance, we're asking you all kinds of stuff that make you think that you might think doesn't matter. Like, why are we asking you about how much you travel out of state? Where do your kids live? A lot of this stuff. We're not trying to pry. We're just trying to put all this stuff together to get you the best benefits at the best price. So if you have any questions, give us a call at SSG Insurance. Let me or Frank help you and your family. You have a lot of important decisions to make in retirement, and we can help you make those best decisions. So if you like this video, you might like some of our other videos, so go check them out. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. Check in the description below this video for the link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. You can go ahead and download it. It's free. Just download it, print it out. Or you can give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to schedule a consultation. The consultations are free, and we'd love to discuss your options so that we can help you sign up based on your needs and your budget.